A new AI system just made the groundbreaking leap in reshaping the future of AI. In a dazzling display of innovation, this AI system has shattered boundaries and pushed the limits of what's possible across various domains. Their cutting-edge advancements are nothing short of revolutionary, poised to transform entire industries and unlock unprecedented capabilities. Here are the 5 breakthroughs in the world of AI. Number 1, consistent character generation. This solved a long-standing challenge in the text-to-image systems. This new AI software has developed a truly remarkable AI technique. With a mere stroke of the pen, users can now create consistent characters in a variety of poses, with the AI replicating the same figure in just 9 seconds per image. This groundbreaking approach is a game changer, paving the way for a new era of creative expression. Number 2 is the awe-inspiring text-to-animation. This innovation's venture far beyond text-to-image, venturing into the realms of text-to-video and text-to-3D geometry. The most spellbinding development is their ability to synthesize lifelike motion on virtual characters based on simple text inputs. Harnessing the power of physics-based animation, this cutting-edge technique has learned from an astonishing thousands of different motions, enabling the creation of complex, realistic movements, from graceful dance to explosive martial arts. Number 3 is simulation breakthroughs. The creators of the AI system relentless pursuit of innovation has led to a remarkable achievement in simulation research. Introducing a revolutionary new technique, they can now simulate a breathtaking array of elements, from meshes and point clouds to neural radiance fields and tomography scans, all with a single algorithm. Number 4 is pioneering full-wave optical simulation. Departing from traditional ray tracing, this AI system has unveiled a groundbreaking technique that considers light as electromagnetic waves. This approach enables highly accurate simulations of cellular signal coverage across an entire city, a level of realism that was once unimaginable. Although currently slower in execution, this proof of concept paper stands as a testament to the creator's visionary thinking and the tremendous potential for even more realistic simulations in the future.